Hi, it's Cutie19558 here, and I just need to tell you this is my first Animal Jam account, and also it's a good welcoming back to my account because I had trouble on my password, so it took me a long time to get back. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Today I'm going to do adopting because everybody loves that. Everybody loves getting adopted. Everybody on YouTube videos for like Wisteria Moon and Pari, they said I found out that they were really, really fun. I hope I become very good friends with the Pari and Wisteria Moon because I never saw them before. Yeah. Maybe they're in a den. Well, it's like 1 o'clock in the morning right now, but I really don't care. So let's see. Wisteria. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at spelling her name. I don't know. Did I get it wrong? Yeah, this right here is a fake. That's a fake. Because she spelled her name wrong. No, I did not want to click on this. I don't care about the stupid baby crying in this picture over here in the corner. Well, yeah, whatever. Also, I want to give a shout out to my sister right here. But her YouTube account is BunnyLover0990AJ. Mine is Cutie19558AJ and more. Okay, let's see. Let's go to her den so we can see her. Oh wait, I think she's somewhere else. Let me follow her. Jamal Township. Okay. Well, we're gonna go see my sister. 1 second. Load. Where is my sister? I just don't know. We'll just get adopted, okay? I always get sidetracked on my videos. Okay. I'm sorry if I get sidetracked on my videos. For some reason, I try to do something, I'm like, oh, I should do this, and then I'm like, okay, let's do this, and then I get sidetracked, like, ooh, someone's doing a fashion show, ooh, I should get more gems, ooh, look at this, then I just get sidetracked. So yeah, my guy is really laggy today, so you have to move, Bunny, come on, don't be lazy. You better be kidding me. I will adopt you. I will adopt you. Okay, I'll accept this. Yay! Okay. I said, guys, I'm sorry. I said I was gonna get adopted, but she's really happy right now. We want to make other people happy too. Okay, we're going to go to my den. I also like helping people too, but I also like being the baby, and yeah, mostly because then I like to get hurt or pretend I'm sick, then they have to take me to the doctors. I just love that. It's so fun. Oh man, I missed my house, my den so much. Oh man, I couldn't believe how good it was. I forgot all about it because of how gone I was. I was gone for a month on this. Man, it's so good to be home. I even noticed some updates too. Say I put he down here. It says he, her, hey. It's just so cool. Also, they also put new items like always. Yeah. Also put in a new animal. It's just so good. I know, right? IKR. She's changing her animal. Where's my bed? That means bed, which is over here. This is Be Sweet Together. Then I'll just be baby. This is I can't. My guy is not moving. I'm just gonna stay over there. Over there. So for some reason, I just call you Mum. Mum. I just like that name, right? I'm just gonna dance to that. That's just so funny. Mum, 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 mum. Just love that name. Look, she's dancing with me. Oh, okay, she's not dancing anymore. She's not dancing anymore. Okay. Please like and subscribe this video, okay? Just don't go harsh on me, okay? This is my first Animal Jam video, so I don't really know what to do that much. Okay. Well, eat the soup. My time is almost up, because I only have 15 minutes to do this video, so sorry. It's like 6:50, yeah, okay. So I only have like, oh, I have 9 minutes left. That's okay. I like that. 9 minutes is perfect. Oh, now I have 8 minutes. That's okay. Okay, eat your fruit. I just like eat your fruit. Much, much, much. Yum. I'm just gonna say yum. That's all I'm gonna do. Yum. Oh, come on. Seriously? Do you seriously have to go GTG right now? Seriously. Come on. Okay. Are you gonna go? Haha, I just left my daughter. Goodbye, daughter. Yeah, I just left her. Cause she's like GTG. She wasn't even leaving. I'm like, are you gonna leave or something? Do you have important things to do? Why is this girl blushing? Is she in love with someone? Ooh, she's in love. The one who is blushing, if you're watching this, I'm sorry I said that, okay? No offense, okay? Don't be so mad at me. Now we're gonna get adopted. Me. Adopt me. Come on. You gotta adopt me right now. Or you will die. I will burn off you. I will burn off you. Tell me if you guys like my style. Just look at this. Also, I also have a secret recipe of how I did my eye. It looks like I just have like one white dot. It looks so cool. Excuse me. I like to get out of this. Okay. Oh man, this guy looks so handsome. But yeah, whatever. Why did I say that? Well, I mean, he just has a good look. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. He has a good look. Hey, no. I don't want to walk over to him and kiss his foot. That's not what I was trying to do. I was trying to click on a name tag. Are you kidding me? I'm just gonna go back to sleep. Okay, now we can click on his name tag. Okay. So, I'm gonna say, I like your outfit. There you go. I hope you like that message, boy. Okay, we'll work. These two look like they could go together. The both are close now. Both pretty. Yeah. Just adopt me already. You know, I'm just a bunny. Come on. What? Not cute enough for you? Ah. I'm gonna pause this video. Okay, guys, I think I got adopted. Because look right here. I think she adopted me. Let's check. I'm gonna go to her then. Okay. Oh, apparently she got a bunch of people. Oh yeah, she got some kids. Yay! And one of them is me. And I'm gonna be a bad baby. Plays with fire. I'm a bad baby. I'm playing with fire. Plays with fire. Okay, I'm gonna be the youngest kid. Cause I wanna be young. Oh man, I don't have much time left to do this video, so I might have to make a part 2. I only have 3 minutes left. Yeah, guys. So stay tuned for part 2, but not right now. But yeah, we'll have to. I'll make a part 2 though. Oh, they both said they're the oldest. Sorry, only one could be oldest. Or you guys could both be twins, you know. TV! Everybody loves TV! Let's see, what should I watch? The Itsy Bitsy Pillar. Hey, this is my room. I'm gonna say, sorry, I'm very busy right now because I am definitely watching TV right now. Sorry, I am watching TV right now. Yeah, this television show is so funny. I love this show. Oh, I love this show. Oh, 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 oh. Can you get rid of the green couches? No. Okay, I need my room. You know, I need room too. Where's my room? Yeah, a room for myself. I'm gonna lock the door because I want my mom to get me a door. She took this bed away. Okay, where's my room? I want a room. I want a room all by myself. A room that's locked. Yay, she's making me a room right now. I hope there's a door to it. And then